Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Windows level update KB5086672 not installing on Windows level. In this video, seeing before you begin, subscribe my YouTube channel. We can fix by using these three steps. Let's go ahead that first step, restart. So go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart button. Click to restart your system. Once it restart, then recheck your Windows update. If this site does not working, then go to the next step, troubleshoot Windows update. So we need settings. So search the settings. We can click to open. Then go to that system. Then scroll down. Click on the troubleshoot, or search the Windows update by using Windows search bar. Just to search by using search bar, then you can below you can see find and fixing problem with Windows update. Just click on it and you can get new tab. You have got new tab. So just click on the next button, click to update the latest version. So just click on it, that it is the troubleshooting your issues and problems. Just it is show the your problems. So wait, once it check to show the your problems, we are identity to, then go to the next step. Here check for Windows update issues. Just close button, click to come to back, then go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart button. Click to restart your system. Once it will restart, then go to the next step, delete cache Windows update files. So we need file explorer. Just click on it and then go to that local disk C. Then you can select Windows folder, double tap to open, then scroll down, find software distribution folder, double tap to open it, then you can select all, then right click on it and choose the delete button. Once it delete all folder, then come to back, and then go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart mode. Click to restart your system. After that your problem should be fixed. Then you can go to that settings, then you can choose Windows update tab, then just click the download and install button. Click to update the latest version. It is smoothly update. I have no, it is easily fixed. And if you have any doubt, go to the comment section, comment, I will reply. And don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.